All right, welcome back. Today we are going to do a review of the Lego Harry Potter set number 76422. It is the Weasley's Wizard Wheezes. It's a pretty thick book. Looks like 180 some odd pages. It's got six or seven. It has 7 minifigs with it. And we'll start there, I guess. So it's got Hermione Granger. I'll do a close-up of all these at the end. And it's got Hermione, Ginny Weasley, it's got Ron Weasley. I don't really know who this is supposed to be. You can comment down below if you know. That would be awesome. I'm not really up on my fandom for Harry Potter. Fred or George. Fred or George. And I think that if memory serves me right, I think that's lavender brown. I'm sorry. Again, I'll do a close-up of all of them at the end. And here's the set. Move in a little bit closer. That's better. All right, so this set was pretty easy to build. I think the only complaint I had about it is when you look at it, if you look at it in the picture there, it looks like it's going to be gigantic. Like, I don't know, I know that sounds terrible, but I was expecting it to be much bigger. And then as I was building it, I was like, wow. And then I don't know what it is. It's just something about the photo or the scale of it, just the way it turned out. It's a really good set. Don't get me wrong. I just, in my mind's eye, was thinking it was going to be much taller. Of course, you got the guys up front with the arm that moves and a rabbit under the hat. And on the inside, I'll do a close-up here in just a minute. You got puking pastilles here. Nosebleed nougat. All of the stuff that they used to sell in their little kits. I forget what these things are called. I remember Ginny bought one, but I don't remember what they were called. If you notice, it's got the pins on it so that you can actually put it in with the rest of the Diagon Alley. It did also come with this part of it, which is, I think, the owl post. And it connects, obviously, to one side. And again, it has more pins in it, so you can put it. There's some mail inside. Mailbox out front. It's pretty detailed. Real small, though, but very detailed. One of the cool things, I think my favorite thing about it, is if you look, I think this is Dolores Umbridge up here in the chandelier, which I think is pretty neat. I don't remember that in the movie, but that doesn't mean it wasn't there. The whole set, the way it shows it in the instructions, it's set up like this. Let me lay some of these out. We'll do a close-up. Again, I don't know who the girl in the minifig in the purple is. There's Hermione Granger, Ginny, Ron Weasley, whoever runs the owl post, Fred and or George, I'm sorry, Fred or George, and I believe lavender brown. Try to give you some close-up detail of the whole thing. Set took about an hour and a half to build. Might be a little dusty. I'm sorry. It's been built for a couple months. Definitely a cool set if you like Harry Potter and you enjoy it. Peruvian Instant Darkness Powder. Puking pastilles again. And I'm guessing, oh yeah, there's the, and then of course there's the owl post, which is right next door. So, pretty fun set to build. I need to get a little turntable. As you can tell, our videos are really low quality, and we're new at this. My boys and I do this. We enjoy it. This was always a dream of ours to try this, so we appreciate the feedback. And you know, any questions or comments, we would love to hear from you. Thank you.